Hello, my name is Adam Bean, and today I would like to compare the performance and behavior of a Java Lambda function with stock Corretto 11 with a JavaScript function, both hello world without any dependencies and external dependencies. So there are no function deployed. So let's start with Java. And for this purpose, I would like to use the AWS Lambda CDK plain template, which just uses CDK to deploy the Java Pojo function. So let's do this. I would like to use the template, setup Lambda, and call it just Java. And now it opened the project. So there are two parts. This is the CDK part, which actually deploys the Lambda. Let's take a look on that. And in this stack, it just creates a Lambda function with this name. And it uses the minimal setting of 128 megs of RAM. And I don't actually need a timeout, so I can delete the timeout. But the function is, it just uses this function jar and deploys the function jar to AWS Lambda. Okay, and the function itself is simple. It's just a Pojo without any dependencies on AWS. And what I can do, I can just say, okay, return hello Java. Okay, now we have this, and there's just stock Maven. So we use Maven Shade plugin to package everything. But in this particular case, we actually don't need any dependencies. So I can comment out the Lambda API and also the AWS Java Events API. Looks good. And now we can start with the deployment. And this works with the included script, build and deploy. So this will create the function jar first, then perform the tests, which will generate CloudFormation template. This happens right now. And they will be created in CDK out folder. And then it will pick the function jar, or it's asked me about whether it should create for me the security policies, IAM policies. Say yes, just do it. And now we can go ahead to the browser. And to save time, I would like to create the function here. And now let's call it JS. And I would like to use the just the suggested options, create the function. And then I would like to modify the code, the generated code, that is comparable to Java. So this can take a while. And okay. And the code is hello from Lambda. And what I had, it was hello Java. So let's do hello JS. And just do it here. Hello JS. And I would like to remove the entire code, deploy it, and maybe they are already deployed. So now we have Java function, 3 kilobyte, and what we already see, JavaScript function is significantly smaller, 180 bytes, but it's not as bad. So now let's try to invoke that. So I would like to go to test and say test. So what I got back is hello.js, so it works as expected. So the init duration was 130 milliseconds, build duration 70 milliseconds, and the duration is here 17 milliseconds. So this was the cold start, which was actually pretty good. So now see how the subsequent calls are behaving. So do it again, and now it was 80 milliseconds. Do it again. 130 milliseconds, and do it again. So, and now there are exactly 2 milliseconds, interestingly. So do it again, and 1 milliseconds, and so forth. So now let's curious about the Java performance. So go here. This is the Corretto and Java, and now run it the first time. And what we already saw, the cold start was a little bit slower, so it's 300 milliseconds, and build was 136. Just do it again, test, and now there are 1.4 milliseconds. do it again, 1 millisecond, do it again is 0.9 milliseconds, and do it the last time is a build duration is 1 millisecond. So in both cases, you get built for roughly 1 second. But what we already saw, the Pojo, the Java SE performance is absolutely acceptable. And this was like Pojo without any GraalVM tricks. I just use the standard Corretto 11 JVM. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.